My name is Tim Nies. I'm a nationwide Defense-Based Act attorney. Prior to that, I was a trial attorney for one of the country's largest insurance defense law firms, so I know what the other side is thinking and what they're planning in a lot of these Defense-Based Act cases. I'm also a veteran of the 3rd Ranger Battalion, where I served until I was injured on a parachute jump. What I want to talk about today is the situations where insurance companies deny medical services, surgeries, procedures that your own doctor requests for you to have. So what happens in these situations is, say the doctor thinks that you have a neck or cervical spine injury in addition to a lumbar spine injury, so the doctor asked the insurance company to approve an MRI of the cervical spine. The insurance company denies it, and there's reasons why they deny it, and it's wrong. The primary reason is because they don't want to open up the door to another procedure that will cost them more money in the long run, so they deny it. Or your doctor may recommend what's called a radiofrequency ablation. That's where they go in and they burn a part of the nerve in an area, say in your spine, say in your lumbar spine, so you don't feel the pain anymore. That is one that is denied quite a bit. There are so many things that the insurance companies do, especially before you have an attorney, where they're denying medical treatment that your own doctor recommends. Now you might ask the question, can they do that? And the answer is no. They can't do that, but you need an attorney to go in there and fight for that. They will deny it, and a lot of times if you're unrepresented, you'll just think, okay, well, I can't have that done or this done, and this is your life. This is your medical care. This is your future. Beyond this DBA claim, you need to get your back fixed. And insurance companies, 3 things that they do the most, and there's a book written on it, is they delay approvals for things, deny approvals for procedures, and defend. So you need an attorney on your side to fight to make sure you get the medical care that you need. And this happens in just about maybe 80% of the cases where the insurance company denies a procedure authorized and requested by your own surgeon, the surgeon that you pick. By the way, you get to pick your own surgeon. Don't ever let the insurance company pick a surgeon or a physician for you. You are entitled under the Act to hire and retain your own physician at the insurance company's expense. And a lot of times the other procedures are denied because the insurance company will send you to what's called an IME, Independent Medical Evaluation. It's not really an independent medical evaluation. They just call it that in the Defense-Based Act world. It is really the insurance company is sending you to a doctor that they choose, which a lot of times is doctors that they've paid many times that do independent medical evaluations. They probably pay out for each independent medical evaluation depending on where the evaluation takes place, etc., a couple $1,000s. I've seen bills for $2,000 for them to send you to one of their doctors, so you can see right away where the bias is going to be. And after these independent medical evaluations, the insurance company will deny request for procedures, surgeries, MRIs, scans, that type of thing, based upon this independent medical evaluation where you went in and saw one of their doctors for probably only about 10 or 15 minutes. But they're denying what your doctor who has seen you could be a dozen times has requested. So when you get denied a medical procedure, hire a Defense-Based Act attorney. It won't cost you anything. We don't charge you up front. We don't even get a percentage of any settlement you may have. We are paid upon a successful resolution of a claim and obtaining a benefit for you. Or if, say, for instance, they did not approve an MRI and we go in and we fight and we get an administrative law judge to approve that, they owe us attorney's fees for that. Same thing with our radiofrequency ablation procedure. If we go in and we convince the administrative law judge to compel the insurance company to do that procedure, then we get paid by the insurance company. It is a free call to call me or any Defense-Based Act attorney. My name is Tim Nies. My website is defensebasactlawyers.com, and our telephone number is 877 DBA Law 1. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.